Welcome back to Robbo's Big Lake District Retreat Part 2. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Ian.
And you're joining us back at Burns Farm Caravan and Campsite near Keswick in the Lake District.
Come along with us on our second part of our adventure to see what we get up to next. Good morning, everybody. This morning we are at Moss Force Waterfall, which is near Buttermere. Is that right?
I think so.
So we'll see what it looks like, and as you can see in the background, what a view. Look at that.
We've just travelled up a pretty tight, windy road.
Yeah, it is. Which you could probably see, actually. Look at that. What a view for the morning. And up here, is the waterfall.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, howling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untied, you're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the layers of your doubts, there's a heart gone out of realm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around.
Do you fancy some lunch?
Yeah, I'm starting to feel a bit hungry. I've got ingredients for a chilli back at the caravan. Do you fancy?
Sounds like a plan.
Let's go.
We've stopped at Honister Pass and the views are absolutely amazing, absolutely astonishing. Let me just show you what we've got. It connects the Buttermere Valley and the Borrowdale Valley. It's one of Cumbria's highest passes, and at the top is Honister Slate Mine, which is still a working slate mine.
Good morning. It's a wet and rainy day this morning. We're not in any rush to go anywhere today. I think we're gonna have a nice leisurely morning and cook some breakfast and decide what we're going to do a bit later on. We're leaving the lakes this afternoon and we are going on a little road trip. We are going to Scotland. I've never been to Scotland and we're much closer to it here than we would be if we were back at home in the Midlands. So we're taking the opportunity while we're at this end of the world. Come with us.
We're going to visit another country.
Get your passport ready. We're in Scotland! Scotland! commentary.
Hello. We are at the Bowder Stone, whatever that is.
Bowder Stone.
Bowder Stone. We are at the Bowder Stone, and it's a bit of a surprise. It's a big rock, as far as I'm aware, but we'll see. I just assumed it would be up
Yeah, I thought it'd be
up there.
It did say this way, didn't it?
It did say the footpath started down here.
We could have parked down there then.
Yeah. The boys have raced off ahead. I think they want to make sure we're going in the right direction. How you feeling, babe?
Like we've just climbed another big hill.
I mean, that's pretty much what the Lake District is all about.
Knackered and unfit.
Yep.
I think it's there.
I think we might be here. Well, nearly there. Doesn't look like there's a lot holding it up.
That maybe.
Do you want to go first?
No, you go first.
When did you eat them? I don't know.
Whoa. Well, that's pretty high. Some water. There it is. Try not to sit in it. Yeah, this would suit me. Little cottage in a forest. What did you think of the rock, babe?
It was big.
And rocky.
Yeah. And we climbed up it.
Excellent.
Yeah. I'm hoping to see a red squirrel, that's what I'm looking for.
Okay, so you've heard of a bear hunt. This is a squirrel hunt, but specifically red squirrels. And we have been told there are actually red squirrels
In this area.
So if we find one, we'll try and get a picture. And if we don't, then, oh wow, look at that red squirrel. It's really nice. Well, there wasn't a red squirrel, obviously.
We'll put some footage in from the last time we came to the Lake District.
Yeah. You're hoping to get transported?
Outlander land.
Outlander land.
Jamie.